Hello everyone, this video will contain the unboxing of the Oppo Reno 7 smartphone which was just released in China yesterday. This series is the successor of the Oppo Reno 6 which was previously released. Okay, let's just review how the impression when you first use this series. Here I will also explain a little about the specifications of the Oppo Reno 7 series which consists of the Oppo Reno 7, Reno 7 Pro, and Reno 7 SE. Oppo Reno 7 and Oppo Reno 7 Pro come with Full HD plus 6.5-inch OLED screens with a resolution of 1080 and 2400 pixels. However, what makes the difference is the 90Hz refresh rate for the Reno 7 and 120Hz for the Reno 7 Pro. Then, both series also have a triple camera module setup on the back. For the Reno 7 model, the main sensor is 50 megapixel, which is accompanied by 16 and 2 megapixel, while the Reno 7 Pro does not use a 2 megapixel sensor and replaces it with 13 megapixel. Then, for the front camera, both Oppo Reno 7 and Oppo Reno 7 Pro both have 32 megapixel resolution. On the machine, the phone with a 4500 mAh battery with support for 65-watt fast charging provides the Reno 7 with a chip made by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 with a choice of 8GB or 12GB of RAM, as well as 256GB of internal storage. Meanwhile, the Reno 7 Pro model uses Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 with a choice of RAM internal storage configurations, namely 8 per 256GB, 12 per 256GB, and 12 per 512GB. It is known that the Oppo Reno 7 variant 8 per 128GB will be priced at 3,499 yuan, and the variant 8 per 256GB will cost 3,999 yuan. Oppo Reno 7 SE has a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 778G chipset which is expected to come in 8 per 128GB and 12 per 256GB storage options. The rear camera unit has three sensors, namely OmniVision OV64B 64 megapixel, Sony IMX355 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Meanwhile, for selfies, this phone packs a 32 megapixel camera. The phone with a 4300 mAh battery that supports 65-watt SuperVOOC SuperFlash charging is priced at 2,699 yuan for the base 8 per 128GB storage model, while the 12 per 256GB storage option is likely to cost 2,999 yuan.